Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to share with you a hidden gem from the Caribbean, Vervine. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about this herb? Let's dive right in and discover the power of Vervine. Vervine, also known as verbena or vervain, has been cherished for centuries in the Caribbean for its incredible health benefits. It's a small plant with delicate purple flowers, but don't let its size fool you. This herb packs a punch. First off, let's talk about its amazing ability to soothe the mind. Vervine is known for its calming properties, making it perfect for reducing stress and anxiety. Imagine coming home after a long day, brewing a cup of vervine tea, and just unwinding. Sounds heavenly, right? But that's not all. Vervine is also a powerful anti-inflammatory. It helps to reduce pain and swelling, which is great news for those of us dealing with chronic pain or conditions like arthritis. And the best part, it's all natural. And here's a fun fact. Vervine also supports digestive health. Got a tummy ache? Sip some vervine tea. It's been used traditionally to ease digestion and can even help with issues like bloating and gas. Now, let's hear from some folks who've experienced the benefits of Vervine firsthand. Hi, I'm Angela. I've been using Vervine for a few months now, and it's been a game changer for my anxiety. I feel so much more relaxed and at peace. It's incredible. Hey, I'm Marcus. As someone who suffers from arthritis, Vervine has really helped me manage my pain. I can move more freely and enjoy life again. I can't recommend it enough. Hello, I'm Jaslyn. I've always had digestive issues, but since I started drinking Vervine tea, I've noticed a huge improvement. No more bloating or discomfort. It's amazing. Amazing, right? So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your health and well-being, give Vervine a try. But remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or herb. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and secrets from around the world. Stay healthy and see you next time.